Hi, I'm Thierry Dubois with Aviation Week, and I'm here with Nicolas Chabbert, CEO of the Aircraft. Nicolas, can you tell us, first of all, the name of the new aircraft? It's
the TBM 980.
Nicolas, can you tell me about a new feature on the engine system?
The new features on the TBM 980 that we are introducing will address the way we can use free fuel. In order to do that, we change the high pressure pump in order to accommodate with ice that could comes out from the tank, and the engine is already capable of receiving this fuel, and that completes the system to have a free, so we don't use any additive in the fuel with this new device.
And we are now inside the aircraft in the cockpit with the brand new Garmin G3000 Prime Avionics suit. Nicolas, how have you integrated the new system in the new TBM 980?
As you can see in this Avionics that is the G3000 Prime, it seems like it was naturally fitting to the TBM. But as you know, and you notice, we're switched from the 12-inch screens to a 14-inch wide screens, which are pushing the boundaries of the layout, and everything has been flushed, mounted into a milled panel.
What if failure happens?
As you can see, we're on the ground, so there's many failures that happen. So the only thing that we have to do is to use your finger and press on the cast message, and automatically you will have all of the checklist and procedures that are going to be displayed, which you can then select if you have checked them and completed the checklist. You can move forward and clear the caution or warning alarm.